Hello everybody, I just finished the Wiliwilinui Ridge Trail hike, I think is what it's called. And there's 3 things I'd like to advise all people who are thinking about doing this hike. Is 1, understand that parking is limited and the trailhead is off of private development, and they only give a certain number of parking permits at any one time. So you may not be able to get on to the development to park your car at the trailhead. So have a backup plan. 2 is prepare to get muddy. I would do it in the baking hot days of summer or when there's been a dry spell for a certain amount of time. 3rd tip is to bring a liter of water and a snack. So about a mile in, I'd say, I don't know how many feet I've elevated, but it's been a mix of flatten up, yeah, definitely not the easiest hike, but so far you get a little up, a little flat, no switchbacks, so nothing too intense yet. Let's keep on going. Okay, about 2 miles in, and looks like we're just gonna go straight up this ridge for the last mile, which is, yeah, pretty tough, but we're getting there one step at a time. Off in the distance, we see the ancient Sela Muna Tuatua tree. It is steeped in Hawaiian lore that this tree helps the island communicate via conch shell. All right, so we're up here at mile 2.5. We're up by a cell phone tower. I got 5 bars, man. I got 5 bars. Over here we got the backside of Diamond Head Crater. Gotta say, the views up here a little anticlimactic, but it is what it is. And I think we're a few thousand feet up. I don't know exactly, but saw a lot of good stuff on the way up though, so can't complain about that. It's just overall great to be out, great to be on the trails, and yeah, it's just great to be out. So let's go down.